Hello everybody, and I am going to explain a little bit about discovery. What is about discovery? Okay, this means about to create a new ideas for parents, teachers, or everyone. Inspire how we are going to inspire about that. First, we are going to learn about understand challenge, collect our thoughts. This is very important because we are going to write down all the ideas that we have, and then we have to review constraints. This is basically what we want to add, what we want to eliminate, or something like that. Reframe the challenge. We are going to share with everybody about that, and then create a visible reminder. That is to have some poster in order that everybody is going to see. Then we have to share what you know about the knowledge that you have. This is basically define what you don't know. Post this question in different area to ask some question that you don't know, and then we have build on your knowledge and fill in the gaps. This is going to be basically a step in order that we are going to research in order to use later. And then we are going to have another build your team, understanding the skill and motivation of your collaboration to create a strong team. This is very important because we have to share who you are, to share ideas about each other, define your individual and goal and team goals. This is really important in order to have like a goals as a team in order to work better. Agree on roles. We have to define who is going to be the president, the secretary, or something like that. Give of feedback. Feedback is really important. We have to give a constructive feedback in order that we are going to enhance our knowledge. Define your audience. This is really important in order to know which it is going to be the specific topic that we are going to focus on. For example, we have to write the people that directly in the topic that you want to search. Think more broadly about that, build an overview about that, create a visible reminder in order to that we are going to be focused on that everyone. Then we have to refine your plan. To a solid plan will help you to make decision along the way. Stretch the calendar in order that we are going to have the time of the meeting, when we are going to meet the people or something like that. Form agreements. This is really important. It create a visual reminder to have any poster in order to work on that. And then we have to prepare research, inspiration for your ideas. This is really important. Imagine an interesting people to meet. Choose who you want to learn about from them. What is going to be the topic? Think extremely about that. Make a list on activity that you want to do. For example, learn from user, learn from experts. This is going to be an activity. Then we have the research participants. Describe the people that you want to meet. Plan the interaction that you are going to have with them. Invite the participants of the participants of that, and track. This is going to be basically build the questions. We have to identify what is going to be the topics, develop the questions about that we are going to ask, and we are going to confirm our plans. Prepare for the field work. Assign responsibility about the team in order that everybody is going to work on that. Greater inspiration. Immerse yourself in the context. This is really important that Plan your observation, what you are going to observe to the expert. Explore and take notes in order to write down some like questions or some specific details that you have. Then seek for inspiration, and this is really important. Think of analogies that connect with your challenge. What is going to be your challenge? Uh, at the beginning, you know about that, and learn from experts. Choose the participants. Uh, Set up for productive conversation. It's not just like they are going to come and you don't know what you are going to ask. This is really important to plan before what you are going to, the questions that you are going to have. Learn from individuals. This is something important too. Create a trusted atmosphere. Pay attention to the environment that you have. This is basically the information.